It's a 2013 Buick Regal. You know what you like, so does this Regal. It comes with all the amenities you need: streaming audio, remote engine start, front heated leather sport seats, rear parking sensors, wireless phone connectivity, dual zone climate control, intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, power sliding and tilting sunroof, sport suspension, and power heated mirrors. From new car test drive, we found the Regal very quiet with a very smooth ride, a welcome respite on miserable commutes, and a good partner for cross-country drives. It may be the quietest car in its class. Imaginative luxury for the real world. That's today's Buick. Experience it for yourself today.
Our goal at Mount Ephraim Chrysler Dodge Ram is to make sure you get what you need quickly and efficiently, and that you enjoy your experience. We're located at 620 North Black Horse Pike in Mount Ephraim, New Jersey.